When you start the VPC, the first thing you're going to get is this activation window. What we'll do is we'll actually go through and activate that. So what you can do is you can activate online. And make sure that you've got a connection to the internet. And what happens is when you do activate it, it should become active for another 180 days. So effectively, when you have a look at it, you should have 180 days worth of activation time, in which after that time it's going to expire, and you'll need to then rearm it and reactivate it. Right. As this machine starts up, what you'll see is that there's a couple of scripts that run immediately on startup, and what these scripts do is just help warm up the machine. So effectively it runs through a number of scripts to hit CRM, hit SharePoint, force the compiling of the different web applications. And what it'll do is it'll pretty much run through all your different web pages and warm them up. What I also recommend you do is that if you add additional pages, go and add them into this warm-up script. So and add them at the top end of the warm-up script, so that so that they get hit a little bit early on. So quite often I don't have time to sit and wait for all of these different scripts to execute. Okay. What we also have on this machine are a number of different users that are pre-configured. So with inside of Active Directory, there are a number of users, and what those users enable you to do is to demonstrate logging in and out with the different users into the machine, to show how tasks and work items can be moved between different people. So if I, for example, go into finance, you can see these different users inside there. And what we're able to do is use this little remote desktop icon to remote desktop back into this machine, and then you can type in those credentials and show those different users being logged in and out. In a later version of this, in a lot of K2 demos you've seen, we've normally got a little icon here that opens up. It shows you all your users, and you click on that and it'll log in as those different users into Internet Explorer. That's not available on this machine at the moment. I'll see if I can include that with a later version of this environment. Okay.